Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a Game Pass link on Roblox. So let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. So this method lets you get a direct link to your Game Pass, helpful for sharing donations or setting it up in your games. After you logged into your account, tap on Create. Now inside this page, simply tap on Creations. Now scroll down and then click on the game you want the Game Pass for. Now inside this option, scroll below and under monetization, tap on passes. Just like that, scroll below again, find the Game Pass you want the link for. So you have two ways to get the link. First way is to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot and then tap on open in new tab. Copy the link from your browser's address bar. Now to get a direct Game Pass link, head back to passes, tap on this three dot, tap on copy pass ID. After that, in the next page, you need to go ahead and simply type in roblox.com/gamepass and then you need to go ahead and simply paste the ID you just copied. Press enter and there is your Game Pass link. Now you can easily share or use your Game Pass link anywhere you need. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.